Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Custom Adventurist. Alright, so today I'll be comparing the I500 Pros to the Airpods Pro. Okay, so this is the latest model of AirPod Pro clone. I'll be comparing these using the CA scoring method 2.0. If you'd like to see how these compare to others I've reviewed in the past, you can go to my website. I'll leave it linked in the description. And be sure to get subscribed because I'm doing giveaways every Saturday now. Alright, getting right into the packaging of the two. They both come in little white boxes with an image of the headphones on the front of the box. For the i500s, they have nothing on the sides. The AirPods have Apple logos and their name on the top. On the back of the box, they both have images of the headphones in the case. Alright, opening the two at the same time. They both open very smoothly, which is actually very difficult to replicate. After removing the two lids, you get the inserts for both of them. The one on the AirPods says designed by Apple in California, and the one for the i500 says nothing. Removing those, you get the headphones for both of them. After that, you get two pairs of extra ear tips for both of them. Then you get a charging cable for both of them. But one detail to notice is the charger is now USB-C to Lightning, just like the original. Now for the design of the case. Holding the two cases side by side, they are exactly the same. They have the same dimensions, same button, and LED placement. The lid is pretty much the same now, but I will say the snap is a bit different for the two. I think the snap for the i500s is better. Theirs is sharper and more like the AirPods Gen 1. Alright, there are a few things that might help you differentiate. The first one is the charging port. The chrome around the outside is a bit more rounded than the one on the AirPods. And the design by Apple in California text is slightly bolder. Other than those things, they are the same. Now for the design of the earbuds. Okay, so this area is where the real change happened. Removing both of the left ones at the same time, I literally can't find a difference. For the previous clone, the thing that would help me differentiate between the two is the clones would have a full metal bottom like the AirPod Gen 2. This was dissimilar to the original AirPod Pros, so you can tell the difference. But the bottom has been fixed now. Their bottom metal is now exactly the same. After further inspection, there was one other difference I could find. The text underneath the earbud was a bit more bold than the original. Those are pretty much all the differences I could find. Also, now the clones have a squeeze pad on the side just like the originals. Honestly, they're the exact same thing now. They even fit in each other's case perfectly. Alright, now for the price of the earbuds. The AirPods come in at $250 US. The i500s come in at $90 US. Now for the audio quality. After listening to the two side by side for a while, this is my conclusion. In my opinion, the AirPods sound a bit better. They just seem to be cleaner than the clones. The overall sound pretty good, but I definitely would pick the AirPods over the i500s. They just seem to have a little bit more clarity than the clones. Alright, now for the battery life of the two. The AirPods can get 5 hours of audio playback with an additional 24 hours with the case. The i500s have 4 to 5 hours of audio playback with an additional 24 hours with the case. Alright, now for the connectivity of the two. Alright, so now I'll be showing the pairing process between the two earbuds. Alright, so we're going to start with the AirPods Pros. Open the case, press the button down. There we go. And just like that, they're paired. We got our little screen thing. Now for the i500 Pros. Alright, press connect. Boom, paired. That was super quick. They also do have that exact same screen. Alright, so before I show the connectivity, I would like to go over some of the features like just that are in the software for the i500 Pros, and yeah, let's get to it. So first, you can go right here, you can click the info tab just like the originals, and you can change the name of them just like the originals. Very cool. We have to have them connected. And then you can also change between off and ambient mode. The noise cancellation doesn't work, but the ambient mode and the off mode do. You can also edit some of the touch functions for the sides, noise cancellation off, and also Siri noise control. Also, you can do the ear tip fit test also, automatic ear detection, and the microphone. They also do have Find My. You can go to the Find My app and it will show the location. I don't want to go there right now because it'll show my address, so I'm not going to do that. Also, when you connect them, you get this little thing up here, just like the originals. and so it looks a lot more legit. You get that full thing, you don't have the battery on the side. Also, you get these things on the bottom too. Very cool. All right, so now we're gonna see how long it takes for them to connect. So we're gonna pop with the AirPod Pros first. Open the case. Ready, set, go, boom. Boom, connected. That was really fast. Now for the I500 Pros. 3, 2, 1. Boom, connected. They were both very quick. All right, so now I'm gonna see how far the two earbuds can get from the phone before they start disconnecting or anything like that. Let's do it. Now for the mic quality. All right, so in my ears right now are the I500 Pros from Posve.com, and just using them like as if I'll be like on a phone call or anything like that. They're just my ears, like how you normally wear them. So testing, 1, 2, 3. I hope they sound pretty good. I will also be including the crowd effect in the background like I usually do. We'll see how they do with that, starting right now. All right, so now we have the crowd effect in the background, and this is my quality of the second then. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I hope you can still hear my voice even through all this ruckus. And yeah, testing, 1, 2, 3. These are the I500 Pros from Posve.com. Alright, so in my ears right now are the AirPods Pro, and this is my quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I hope they sound pretty good. They should be a step up from the previous generation, and yeah, I will also be including the background noise, and we're gonna see how they do with that. Ready, get set, go. All right, now we have background noise of a stadium, and hopefully it sounds pretty good still, and you can just hear me talking. And yeah, so testing, 1, 2, 3. Turn the volume up even more, as high as it can go, and yeah, let's go. Now for the features and cool things about the two. Okay, so these new clones have gotten good. There's only one feature that they don't have. So this means that they have ear sensors, wireless charging, location services, name change, Hey Siri support.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
The H1 chip.
Could you please repeat it?
Hello Siri. And they even have ambient mode. The one feature they don't have is noise cancellation. Other than that, they are identical. They both use squeeze pads on the side for the touch functions. Pretty much the same thing, except for that one feature. All right, now for my personal opinion about the two. All right, now for my personal opinion. Okay, so after using these two side by side for the past week, I would say, this is my conclusion. These clones are very, very similar to these AirPod Pros. They only lack one feature, and that is the noise cancellation. The audio quality isn't quite as good as the original, but overall they are very, very similar. They have the same features, and I would say that the i500 Pros are a much better value than the AirPod Pros, mainly because you get pretty much every single feature for like less than half of the price. I don't know, that's just what my personal opinion is. If you disagree with me, leave your answers in the comments, and yeah. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you'd like to check these out for yourself, the links will be in the description. And also be sure to check out my website to see how they compare to other earbuds alike. And yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.